Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You guys know I've been looking for a car for a while to get, and I finally got one. Y'all probably know by the title and thumbnail. So, without further ado, here you go. There is the little clip that me and my friends over here, Jackson, you remember him from the vlog a while ago at Cars and Coffee. Roll the clip.
I feel like a man!
And we have Alex here, who is our other friend who's not in a man's appearance on the videos yet, but he...
What's up, slices?
He has, Cut!
Bird up!
He has a Mazda 3 that is not here right now because we are getting shots of this car that you just saw. Anyways, now it is time to roll the actual vlog of picking this car up and the adventures that we had with it. What is going on, everyone? Today, I'm getting a new daily.
Hey, I do what I want on my day.
There it is, right there, in front of us.
Oh.
It's right there.
Okay.
We're here.
Alright.
Lucky.
My goodness, he's got quite a few cars here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go past.
Didn't take a deal even when the cash low. Number 8 the meal, now I'm eating Mastros.
Alright, it is that evening. We're here at the hotel. Vlog. I am here for something else with acting, so I did not just come here purely for the car. However, I wasn't able to film more of the process of buying it because first off, it was pretty hectic. We were on a sort of a time crunch. It was also pretty dark, but we are the official owners now of a 1997 Volvo T5 Wagon. The owner gave me this little medallion with it. I don't know if y'all can read that. It says Grand Prix Motorsports. So it was really nice of him to do that. Great guy. Shout out to him. I wouldn't have bought the car from anyone else. He was great to talk to and straight up with everything, and even gave me a lot of extra parts, which I'll go over later. But it's getting late. I'm gonna head to bed. I'll catch y'all at the next convenient time to go over the car because we have other things to go do, which will be in another video. Okay. What is up, everybody? Good morning. It is a beautiful day. There's not much really to talk about. We are just headed out. You guys hit the elevator button for me. Thank you. Do you have anything to say to the viewers? You don't even want to tell them to subscribe? Okay. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys subscribe and go follow the Instagram below. Hit that button. See, there he goes. There he goes. Thank you, Dad. Ah, it's a beautiful day, and look what we have in the distance. What, the Volvo? I would assume so. This thing is absolutely beautiful in the sun here. Look at this thing. Oh, I can't wait to give a better overview of it. That's cool. I will be driving that car home so that this gets home safely. It's a little pain peeling here and there on the top as well, and here on the front, but it isn't too bad. I like it. Give her a start. Kill start. Oh, forgot it was in a gear there. There we go. Well, it's here in the driveway now. I know it was a really weird cut, but let me explain why there was such a weird cut there. Alright, so, you guys, actually, let me give myself some air in here. This is really nice. I will show y'all more in a minute, but for now, let's talk about what happened. When that was filmed, I was going to a set to film. Afterwards, we were leaving to go take this car home. You know, everything was just all fine and dandy. Until we went to Camp Comer to go say hi to some friends, because I was also supposed to be at that camp at that time. When we left there, we pulled out to the right, and this car lost all power. I kid you not, from watching it from behind, because I was driving my dad's car behind him, the whole car just went black. And we pulled over, we pushed it back a little bit into the Comer parking lot. We called the tow truck because we didn't know what the heck was going on. Guy came out, and in talking with people, it was probably an alternator. And that really kind of sucked. I was pretty mad at that point. You know, I didn't know what to expect, and you know, I definitely didn't expect to do this. I really wanted to just get home and you know, be able to have the car, and there it was, broken. 26 hours in of ownership. A guy comes and he tows it to a friend of mine's here in Huntsville. I was gonna have it at the shop, and he said, "Well, you know, let me just take a look at it real quick to you know see if anything's going on with it." I kid you not, within 5 minutes of him looking at the car, he found an electrical issue, which I'll show you in a second, and he fixed it. And we drove this thing home, which is why it's here now. So really big thanks to him, because he definitely helped me get this thing home, and now I can enjoy it and drive it and get, you know, everything else fixed. The brake lights don't work on it right now, but we think we know why that is. Now let me show you what was going on and why we lost all the power on the car. Everything's good there. It's 2 clicks. Other things with the car is, well, that. Then you've got to lift this up a little bit. Well, kind of. This is really a 2-hand job. Pull this pin out. And then lift her up all the way. And she's good like that. And so basically, what we have down here is this box and this orange wire. And this orange wire had come undone from that box right there. And that is what caused everything, the whole short, the whole 9 yards of everything. And so right now you can see we just have it tied around the box right there. But it was recommended that I get a little bit bigger of a wire and that I redo the connection. While we're under here, we can take a look at the very nice 5-cylinder engine. And peep the turbo back in there. And then you got your front headlight wipers there. And yeah, overall it's a nice car, and you know, it drove home safely, and well, it sounds really nice. Hopefully we can get more of a sound demonstration later on in this video or in another video, but that will definitely be coming no matter what. On the interior, more just going on an overview of it. We got some gauges over here that were modified in. You got your dashboard here. It is manual transmission swap there. It's pretty nicely done. I might clean it up just a little bit more, but honestly doesn't need that much. Window controls, all your controls here. I might redo something here, although I might not. Phone holder here, and then yeah, pretty much it. Now there is some stuff in the back we want to talk about. This car has a whole bunch of features and random things that you have to figure out. Like well, you can only open the fuel door when the whole thing is unlocked, which is really interesting. Let's lift up the hatch here, and boy oh boy do we have an interesting thing in here. So we got a whole new AC gauge here. I don't even know what half this stuff is. AC compressor and a whole new intake and throttle body. So we have quite the selection of parts here in the back that are all going to go in the garage later. And I think we have a Mercedes ECU there just because why not? So yeah, did come with some nice goodies to say the least. The exhaust on it is modified a little bit. I think it has a Magnaflow muffler, but either way it sounds really good and makes some really nice pops when you get into it. There is no key fob for this thing. Well, it had one, but the guy lost it in the car somewhere, so maybe we'll find it one day. But for now, I just got this. This is my helper.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Hold on, let me check something because I've heard. Ah,